Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to make some lemon mustard baked chicken. It's really delicious. So let's get started. I'm using this cookbook. I got this cookbook as a wedding present, and so I've had it for a long time. It has a crack right in the middle, so I keep it carefully together. So I'll link this cookbook in the description below. Okay, so for this lemon mustard sauce, I'm going to double the recipe. I want to make sure all the chicken is fully coated. Okay, so we're going to do 4 tablespoons of oil, and I've got avocado oil. One tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm using this lemon juice. So we'll give that a shake. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons since we're doubling the recipe. Okay, and now I need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And we need 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper. And you can use basil or oregano. I change it up and switch it back and forth. But today I'm going to use basil. My oven's preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, and we're going to give this a good mix. And there we have it, our lemon mustard seasoning for our chicken. Okay, now we're going to get our chicken into our cast iron skillet. It's semi-frozen a bit, so it might take a little bit over an hour to cook. Usually it takes an hour if it's thawed. And I cut my own chicken up, and then I freeze it, so it's still a little frozen. I took it out, but it's not completely thawed. Okay, and our oven's preheated now, so that's perfect timing. Okay, and now we are going to coat our chicken in this delicious lemon mustard sauce. That looks good, so we're going to get that into our oven at 350 degrees, and it will probably take at least an hour, maybe a little bit longer, since it's just a little bit still frozen. So let's get that in the oven. I'll bring it back when it's finished. Our chicken is done, so we're going to get it out of the oven. Here's our delicious lemon mustard chicken. That is so good. Y'all are going to love this recipe. And it's quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.